Disappears and Hobbies, and we've got a Gorham bust here file, which we got from Thingiverse. Let's open it up. Let's open up files, and we're going to choose the low one here, and that'll open up in Bamboo Studio. So it's opening up in Bamboo Studio now. We're going to use our wheel, and we're going to turn the wheel in towards myself to make it a little bit bigger, and then we're going to use the right on the mouse button, and he doesn't look too good there because he's in black. So let's go over here. See over here? I'm going to click on the one, and we're going to choose this color right here, and then close it out, and you can see him. See, now he's black, and he's bamboo. He's bamboo basic PLA, and he's in bamboo X1 carbon textured plate. Leave all these settings alone. Let's look at him, okay? Turn him around. We're using the left button, and he's got overhang. See, the airs are overhung right here. That means they're going to need supports, okay? So we're going to go over to support. Click on support right here. Click in this box here, enable support, and we're going to go, you could use a normal support, or you can use a tree support. I kind of prefer the tree support, so I'm going to click on tree support. Alright, there he is. And let's see how big he is, okay? We're going to click up here. See this arrow? That shows you how big it is. It's 100 millimeters. So 100 millimeters is about 3 inches, I would say. Okay, so I think that's good because we're running a little bit low on filament. I gotta turn the machine on over here. Got the machine on. And that's got to boot up. The machine's got to boot up the X1. Okay. There, he's a pretty gruesome looking guy here. And we're going to go over to print plate. We're going to go to send. Oh, we made a mistake here. We don't want to print yet. Okay, because we didn't slice the file. We have to slice the file first. Let's slice it. See it here? It's slicing. Okay, it's got to go through and slice and put the supports in. There, see the supports there? This is just all the information. It's going to take 4 hours to print. We're going to cut that time down in Handy App. Anyway, let's click that off. See the supports it put in there? That's what you need. Okay, now we can send it to the printer. Send. You see your printer is in here. You got to have your printer name in here. I only have 2 printers. This is the right printer for the X1. We're going to hit send. And preparing to print job. Okay, so it's going to be sent over to the printer by Wi-Fi. So it takes a while, but it will. And when it disappears, that's when you go over to the printer and you access the file to print it. And I'll show you that. Taking some time doing that. I don't know why, but it is. It's at 68% now, guys. So hang in there. I can't just very well cut it off from there. I will show you the model afterwards when it's built in a separate video, so don't expect it in this video. Okay, it disappeared. So I'm going to end the video here and hang in. We are over here, and we're going to go to the folder. There's the little guy there. Okay, there's your guy. Print now. Close. And that starts the process of printing. And we might have to changed over the filament over there. Add some more. I'll show you in the next video. Bye for now.